My name is Dr. Nobel, and I work at Village Herbs Clinic as the CEO of the Village Herbs Clinic. And today we are learning something unique. A lot of people complain about this. They have gone to lab, done biopsy and all that stuff, but still they don't see the cost of it. And so they give them the remedy. 6 months time, they come back again, and 6 months time, they come back again. 6 months, come back again, and don't know what to do. Yeah, so we are going to learn what can we do to prevent or stop aging after bathing. It's very simple. We are going to learn about it. Follow us and like our video and share it for other people. Because someone bathing in the house having sex will never tell you, but maybe he's your good friend too. So want to help him? Just share this video. It's a rare medicine that I'm giving to you for free. Yeah, aging after bathing. We learn now first the causes of it, and we're going to learn about how to cure it. Get a neem leaf, from the neem tree, N-E-E-M. The leaves of the neem. When you get the neem leaves, it's very simple. Dry it, wash it, dry it. When it dry, grind become powder. 1 teaspoon a cup of hot water. When it turns warm, drink it once in a day. The water, the quantity that you can drink. The medicine is 1 teaspoon. The water, the quantity that you can drink. Do it for the next 2 weeks. The aging will stop. It's very simple. Yeah, I've cured your condition for you. My name is Dr. Nobel. Call us 10244626590 for further inquiries. We are new Fadama, Teshi Tree, Kumasa, and Thank you very much. Bye.